So as you know, we're already talking about Memorial Day, so that means summer will be here before you know it, the unofficial start. But the weather's already getting warm, so there's no better time than right now to start thinking about the staples that you need to take your style from one season to the next. And so Bridget Battles is the author of Beauty and Her Battle, a 30-day style guide, and she's here to show us what we need. So Bridget, help us out, because it's always weird when you're in those transition phases on the calendar, because it's like, well, I need a little bit of this, but do I need this, and how do I get ready?
Absolutely. You need, first off, you need a white shirt. I mean, you got to have a white shirt, one that goes directly with everything that you wear. And so Felicia, come on out, Felicia. Felicia is wearing a white shirt. And what I love about the white shirt is that it transitions from season to season.
Okay.
So even with spring and summer, you can still wear the white shirt all year round. You can go for Saturday brunch, if you want to go cocktails with the girls, add a headband, and I mean, look, the back of the shirt, the buttons.
Oh, very nice.
So we look for a white shirt that has a little bit of trick, a little bit of a detail, and it gives you just the right amount of zhuzhiness. Thank you, Felicia.
And where did you find this white shirt?
So listen, this one is from Talbot's. But you can also get some amazing white shirts at H&M and Amazon at every price point, and it will give you just the right amount of sass and class.
Okay, very nice.
Yes, thank you, Felicia.
What's the next tip then?
Oh my gosh, so the next tip, I'm a bad girl. You're a bad girl? I love
What do you mean by bad?
Bags and bags.
Oh, bags.
Bags and bags. Feliza, come on out. So Feliza is an amazing makeup artist, and Feliza likes to go from day to night. And so here's the thing. You can carry your tote, so she's carrying this tote bag. But Alex, this is what I love. When you go from day to night, you got to take out your clutch, because you don't want to carry the tote bag when you go out and with a pop of color.
Very nice.
So for spring, you need a clutch. The clutch is what's going to give you just that evening look, so that you don't look too overdone. You know, you don't want to look like you put too much into it. You want to show up with the confidence that you exude, but also showing up that you're fashionable. Feliza, you got a clutch in there for me too. And so here's
how much does she have in that bag?
Listen, that's the thing about a tote bag, you know what I'm saying?
Very nice.
You can go right on out. So Feliza, thank you so much.
Thank you. And that's a lovely metallic.
Yes,
we love our
thank
metallics.
you. Yes.
Okay, what about cardigans?
Oh my gosh, this is my fave. So Kira, whose last name happens to be Green, is wearing a green cardigan. Now, because I know all of you amazing ladies like me, you love a good yacht ride or a boat ride, and so you do need a cardigan in the spring and the summer. And let me tell you why. Because when it gets cool in the evening, that does not mean that you can't still be fashionable with a cardigan. And what I love about Kira's cardigan, number one, it comes with the belt. And then number two, you want to pay close attention that you get the right weight and make sure you're getting things that are cut for your body shape and for your body style, so that you don't look frumpy. Because if you don't get the right cardigan, you'll look frumpy and look older. So you want to look age appropriate and still be a fashionista and look good.
But I've never seen a cardigan so long. My goodness.
I love it. You can also wear a
with
mini
the tassels.
You can wear a mini skirt too.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice.
Thank you, Kira. And then next, you know, I'm going to bring Feliza back because Feliza has bangles.
Okay.
Feliza, come on back out. So Feliza has bangles and bracelets. Listen, ladies, you need bangles and bracelets for the spring and the summer. You need bangles and bracelets. So wearing bangles and bracelets, it will transform any look. You can get them at any price point. And the thing about bangles and bracelets, you can have on a basic outfit, and your bangle or your bracelet will give you exactly what you need. It gives you that punch, just having a bangle and a bracelet. So I put them on both arms for Feliza, because here's the thing. You want to make sure that even when they're stackable, that you're not overpowered with noise. You ever go somewhere, you see somebody just consistently shaking their arm, and they're disrupting the whole conversation? So having the right amount so that you're not overpowering, but still looking good. Thank you, Feliza.
Yes, very nice. Okay.
Yes.
I believe we have our final one now.
Our final one. So Lauren, she's an amazing HR executive who's bi-coastal. So Lauren travels to California, and she's also a mommy. And so Lauren has to be ready to meet her clients. And so this is why it's so important. As professionals, you have a blazer. And the blazer can be worn from season to season. Lauren has on an orange blazer that's double-breasted. And so here's the thing. A lot of times people focus on wearing orange only in the fall. But no, Colors tell a message. And so when you're wearing orange and it's vibrant, you're coming with joy. You're coming with excitement. And you're coming saying, I command the room. And so Lauren's blazer is doing all that for us.
It
Yes.
certainly is.
And so we couldn't miss out. You know?
Well, we couldn't. So you, this is a black blazer.
Yes.
Very nice, like an oversized
Yes.
blazer, which is in. Everybody loves doing the oversized, and you have the beautiful neon.
Yes.
We love neon pink, and we
Yes.
have the rest of our models
All
here.
our models
so
here.
thank you for these tips. Of course, if you would like to learn more, we have Beauty and Her Battle. And where can people get the book?
You can get my book at www.thebbexperience.com or on Amazon.
Very nice. Thank you so much,
Thank
Bridget,
you,
and
Alex.
thank you to our lovely
Thank
models.
you, ladies. Thank you.
Okay, 9:35. Gen Z kids are growing up in a